Hi, I'm Krisztina Strath. I work for IMI plc, a global engineering company. I'm their Group Procurement Manager. Our supply base is very complex. We have manufacturing in 50 different operations around the world, so we want to hear from all of our suppliers and make sure that they give us the information that we need so that we can access global markets. Assent came through as a clear leader straight away, and we gained that knowledge because as a customer to some of our key suppliers, we used the Assent system to ensure that we could answer their customer requests. So I wanted to use a system that I felt comfortable with using myself. I didn't want to ask my suppliers to do something that I found too difficult to do, and the Assent system was very intuitive to use.